Episode 4, we covered the 4-level nutritional framework for diabetic ED. Blood sugar control, nitric oxide support, testosterone production, and antioxidant repair. This episode, we are putting all of it into one glass. 9 ingredients, 1 smoothie, built specifically for men with diabetes and ED. And every ingredient maps to at least one of those 4 levels. Here is exactly what is in it and why. Here's the first ingredient. Raw beetroot. Half a small beetroot, approximately 50 grams. The body's nitric oxide trigger. Rich in dietary nitrates, one of the most nitrate-rich whole foods available. Your body converts nitrates to nitrite to nitric oxide. Supports blood flow and erectile function pathways. Fresh spinach, 1.5 cups, approximately 45 grams. The silent nitrate multiplier. One of the most nitrate-dense foods you can blend into a smoothie. Helps support blood vessel function. Provides magnesium for vascular and hormone support. 100% pomegranate juice, unsweetened. Quarter cup, approximately 60 milliliters. The nitric oxide protector. Rich in punicalagins and antioxidants. Helps protect nitric oxide from breaking down. Extends nitric oxide activity in blood vessels. Raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon, approximately 5 grams. The vascular support compound. Contains flavanols that help stimulate nitric oxide production. Helps protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Blueberries, frozen, half cup, approximately 75 grams. The anthocyanin powerhouse. Rich in anthocyanins that support blood vessel health. Helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Adds natural thickness without added sugar. Fresh lemon juice, half lemon, about 1 tablespoon. The nitric oxide shield. Provides vitamin C and antioxidant support. Helps protect nitric oxide activity. Cinnamon, half teaspoon, approximately 1.3 grams. The blood sugar stabilizer. Helps support insulin sensitivity. May help support healthy blood sugar levels. Pumpkin seeds, raw, shelled, 1 tablespoon, approximately 10 grams. The testosterone mineral support. Rich in zinc for hormone support. Supports testosterone-related pathways. Unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup, approximately 240 milliliters. The zero spike base. Very low in carbohydrates and sugar. Helps keep overall glycemic load low. Always choose unsweetened versions. These ingredients were not chosen randomly. Each one targets a specific mechanism involved in diabetic erectile dysfunction, blood flow, nitric oxide, hormones, inflammation, and cellular repair. Before we show you exactly how to prepare it, there is one important thing you should understand. This is episode 5 of our ED and diabetes series, created by our expert urologists and sexual health specialists. The full playlist, along with the free ErectoGuide demo, is linked in the description. ErectoGuide is a digital healthcare platform dedicated to helping men overcome erectile dysfunction through research-backed protocols. Our team has developed a unique 6-factor ED framework designed to address the root causes of erectile dysfunction, not just the symptoms. With privacy and confidentiality as a priority, we created the ErectoGuide video program, a structured 4-week action plan with step-by-step video modules and weekly checklists you can follow privately, at home, at your own pace. No clinic visits, no prescriptions required. You can try the free demo version right now. No login or credit card required. Details are in the description. How to prepare. Peel and roughly chop the beetroot. Add spinach to the blender first. Add beetroot, blueberries, and pumpkin seeds. Pour in the almond milk and pomegranate juice. Add lemon juice, cinnamon, and cacao powder. Blend on high for 60 to 90 seconds until smooth. Pour and drink immediately. Here is the full recipe card for quick reference. You can pause the video here and save it for later. Storage and shelf life. Best consumed immediately after blending. Can be refrigerated in a sealed glass jar for up to 24 hours. Do not freeze. Texture and nutrient quality degrade. When to drink. Drink on an empty or light stomach for better absorption. Aim for 5 to 7 times per week as part of the dietary approach covered in episode 4. If you have not watched episode 4 yet, the complete 4-level nutritional approach to diabetic ED, that is linked below. This smoothie is the practical application of all 4 levels from that framework. Watch that first if you have not seen it yet. If this video was useful, subscribe. We publish new episodes in this series every week. Thanks for watching.